So let me just do the sign up. This is the sign up page. I give my name and the password. Yeah, the registration is successful. It has directed us to the login page. Now there is an account created for us. So we'll give our username and password which we used to sign up and log in now. Yeah, now we have entered into our app. This is the home page. Here we can uh, list down our tasks. Let's say, let me give the task as completing my math homework. So I've added this task completing my math homework. So by default, the priority type of this task will be medium. Any task will be medium. So we can change the priority type to low, medium, high, any one of these three. So for now, I'm keeping this as low. So let me add another task. Go to the market. So I've added another task. Let me keep the uh, priority type as medium. Let me add one more task, which is let's say, mm, yeah, completing a course on web development. Let's say, let me give the priority as high. So now we can add the tasks using our MERN To-Do app. We can set the priority type for each and every task. By default, the priority type for the task will be medium. Now let's say I have completed my math homework. Now I can give mark complete. Yes, now the status has changed for the task completing my math homework. We have completed and we have changed the status. And let's say I've also completed a course on web development. So I'm marking this task as mark complete. Yeah, done. So we can also filter our tasks based on priorities and based on status. So let's say I want to view all the tasks which have a low priority. Yes. So we can see that completing my math homework task is a low priority task. And once we select our filter as low, it is getting listed down. Let's say I want to view a task which has a medium priority. I set it medium. Yes, now you can see the task has changed to go to the market, which has a medium priority. And then when I set the filter to high, I can see a high priority task, which is completing a course on web development. It is getting listed. So wonderful. And when I click all priorities, so all priorities, whether it is low, medium, or high, all the tasks will get listed now. We can also filter the task based on the status type. So you have two status, either pending or completed. So let's say I want to check what are the tasks I have completed. So I'll select the status filter as completed. I'm getting two tasks. One is completing my math homework, which I've completed. You can see here it is listed. The second task is completing a course on web development. I have also completed that. So these are the tasks which have the status of completed. Let's say I did not complete my math homework, so I can mark this as pending. Yes, now you can see that course has gone to pending status. So when I select the filter pending, completing my math homework is getting listed here because I've changed the status from mark complete to mark pending. So let me list down all the tasks now. So you can see here the status for completing my math homework is pending. So we can add the tasks. Also, we have seen that we can update the status and priority of a task. We can also do one more task with this MERN To Do app, which is delete a task. Let's say I want to delete this, go to the market task. I click on this delete task button. It got deleted. Yeah. So now we have only two tasks left with us, completing my math homework and completing a course on web development. Yeah. So this is a simple MERN To Do app which is done using the MERN Stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. Okay, so let me add one more task to this. Let's say learn Flask. I have added it. I'm setting the priority to high. Yeah. So this is the MERN To Do app. We all use to do apps in our day-to-day life, yet most people still feel unproductive. That's because the traditional task managers treat all the tasks equally. But in real life, not all tasks are created equal. Some are urgent, some are important, and some just waste our time. So there is my app. It's called MERN To Do app. It comes in a smart, priority-driven to-do manager built using the MERN stack. It does the basics well. Like we can sign up, we can log in, we can add a task, we can update the task, we can also delete the task, which is not necessary. But what makes it different is how it prioritizes our day, not just the task list. We can set priority levels, mark the task as pending or completed, and filter the task based on both these conditions. So you're always working on what truly matters. The interface is clean and distraction free, making it feel fast and personal. The backend is robust, JWT based authentication, secure APIs, and a scalable MongoDB setup. This isn't just another to do list app. It's built with the vision to evolve into a productivity companion, integrating features like reminders, voice tasks, and smart suggestions based on a routine in the future upgradations. So we are starting a small app which is targeting students, freelancers, and early stage teams, people who want speed without complexity. And in future, we aim to offer team collaboration, analytics, and smart integrations, all under one minimalistic roof. So if you're tired of bloated apps or boring lists, use my app, the MERN To Do app, which brings your tasks to life with clarity and purpose. Thank you.